down across the floor. Try not to lose your head.